What's up? Zach Vines here. So today I'm going to be talking to you about GetResponse's new sales funnel feature. So before, GetResponse was just simply an email platform for email marketing, auto responding, and automation, which I highly recommend if you are a business owner or just a user that wants to channel people in. You want to use email marketing with GetResponse. They're absolutely top notch. But now they have just unveiled a new sales funnel feature which allow you to go from creating that landing page and that website to your ad, all the way to getting them on your list and getting them to check out and buy your products, all via one app. Stay tuned to learn more. All right, so now we're inside. So this is the new Autofunnel feature that GetResponse has rolled out. So you actually can choose to do just a really easy, quick sales funnel, or you can go into the full details of it. Now, what's awesome is like I had mentioned before, GetResponse is already mastered and excels in email marketing and whatever you need to get leads, to get customers, or simply to have an email list and a newsletter list to go out for, whatever it may be for your niche. But now they have announced this where you can actually build that pop-up page, build that, user interface or landing page that you might use elsewhere for your website, collect the email, and then go on to actually complete the purchase. So within this, it will allow you to build everything that you truly need for your marketing needs, except I believe link tracking, which is awesome because the price doesn't change. It's still that same price point that you paid for just the email responder, but now you are getting to dive deeper and you're getting to do every aspect that you need in this business. So if you're already a GetResponse user, this is awesome. This is something that you can test out. I know I'm going to test it out versus my other, ClickFunnels and other areas where I may be having my funnels. But if you do not have GetResponse and you're just starting out owning a business, or maybe you already owned one or have a small business and you haven't expanded in the online marketing game, this is absolutely a steal at this price to be able to, build your funnel from start to finish. All right, guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and hit subscribe up at the top. And I hope to see you in future videos, and I hope this helped you and that you start making your sales funnels now. Do you truly know how much opportunity is in the internet economy? I want you to imagine something for me real quick. I want you to imagine that you are waking up, you're rolling over in bed, you pick up your phone, and you see notifications that last night you earned income off of a product that you picked to promote and that you set up months ago. What would that mean for your life? What would it mean if while you were walking your dog, while you were picking up your kids from school, while you're watching a movie, you knew that you were generating automated income? What would that mean? What would that do as an improvement to your life? Well, for me, it was everything. When I truly carved out what it meant to be as a digital freelancer and how to truly get it to happen for me, everything changed. And right now, if you would like these steps and tools that I used to pick a product, promote it, gain commissions, and then automate it, I want you to click the guide that you see on the screen right now. It will give you complete access to all of that. But that's not all. After you access the guide, I will also give you the opportunity to save your seat to a live masterclass that will walk you through everything that's in the guide. My mentor himself will actually show you his top advice as well as how he became a digital freelancer. And you don't have to have any tech skills. You don't have to quit your day job. You could use this as something on the side, or you could totally replace your income and do it full time. Either way that works out for you. But you gotta have the steps and the tools that will get you there. And I have that for you. So I hope that sounds awesome, and I will see you on the inside.